Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC12 in Salt Lake City at the Allinea booth. I'm here with the CTO of the company, David Lecomber. David, let's start at the beginning. Who is Allinea and who do you help?
Allinea is the development tools company for HPC. We help developers and scientists, particularly scientists, to make their applications run fast and run better. So run fast, optimize, get the performance right. Run better equals get the right results, run correctly, don't crash.
Okay, so what's new and exciting at Allinea this week? There's a lot going on at this show.
Well, what's new in Allinea this week? We're talking about Allinea DDT, of course, which we've got out for CUDA 5 and the Intel Xeon Phi, but the very big news this week is Allinea Map, which we're unveiling today. So Allinea Map is a profiling tool that just works with our integrated development environment that Allinea DDT brings. So with Allinea Map, DDT together, you have a tool suite that can cover your profiling and debugging needs, which are very closely related.
Okay, so when I think of map, of course I think of topography, but so does this helps people see where the performance gaps are in their code, or how does that work?
That's exactly it, yes. We thought the name Map kind of worked because it showed people where the problem is.
So you guys had a number of announcements this week, some support of new hardware, things like BlueGeneQ. What's going on there?
What's going on there is we do support the BlueGeneQ, so we've got some very good scalability on that machine, but we've also brought out CUDA 5 and support for the Cray XK7 last week, which enables us to be actually already installed and working now on Titan. So we're back there at the top on #1 machine and running at the full scale of that, so 20 petaflops of debugging pleasure.
Okay, so you're a technologist, a CTO. We've got BlueGeneQ now with millions of cores. What kind of challenges does that present to you as a company when you're trying to debug an environment like that?
We've had scalability in DDT for many, many years. So we've had a tree architecture now for over 3 years. So people have been doing petaflop debugging in production on their code for a long time now with Allinea DDT. And there's two parts to that. One is the scalable architecture, but the second and most important part is how you present the information to the users. So we've got an outstanding GUI that really simplifies all of the problems. So if you want to look at a variable across all the processes, DDT is doing that automatically for you. It's showing you things that you wouldn't expect to see, and it just makes life debugging these large machines so easy.